The last prototype that I used was this cardboard box. Now don't get me wrong, it did work. The only issue was it was made out of cardboard. What I didn't think of was how I was gonna get it off of the plexiglass. So I put these command strips on here, and that didn't work well, as you can see. Now with talking to someone that actually knows what they're doing and knows how to create a product, I was able to 3D print our first original prototype. So right here is the prototype. Now it is 3D printed and solid, so it's actually really easy to use, and as you can tell, it has the inside dimensions right here for the beach rose. There is no estimate or stipulations on how many times you can use it, whether it'll break or not, because this thing is solid. Now another question that you guys might be asking is, how do you know that your vacuum might fit? That's a really good question, but there is vacuum plug adapters on Amazon. So if you'd really like, I can give these dimensions out and you can buy the adapters and then get this as well. Having this product with a shear guide versus having an industrial shear is a massive change. You no longer have to spend thousands of dollars on an industrial shear when you can just get one of these. So what I want to do now is show you how it's applied and how it works. So what I'm doing here is just applying the Velcro and making sure that everything's going to fit properly. Now as you can tell, it is a very snug fit and it works perfectly fine. Now after this, all you have to do is plug in your vacuum tube, turn everything on, and it'll start working. There was literally no fabric left within our product. Of course, as a prototype, I'm really excited to see this actually working. And here's all the fabric that was shaved off. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video and supporting my channel. In recent, we've been growing a lot, and I really do appreciate you guys for that. Now that you made it to the end of the video, I just want to say, like, subscribe, comment if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.
I'm the realest one. I talk to no girls, yeah, but I'm feeling one. Yeah, I've been hurt too. I'm a healing one. You won't give me your heart. I guess I'm stealing one. Yeah, back when I told you that you were the one, I still mean it now. You just being you.